Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to create a Rec Room account. Rec Room is a fun social VR and gaming platform where you can create, play and hang out with friends. But before you start, you'll need an account. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the Rec Room installed on your device and launch it open. In the welcome screen, you will see two different options such as login and sign up. Since we are creating a new account, tap on sign up. On the next page, go ahead and select your body type, skin tone, or just modify your character using the options provided. You can go ahead and pick accessories, shoes, body type, clothes, etc. for your character. On the next page, select your birthday from the toggle menu. On the next page, you'll need to pick a username for yourself. Write down a username for yourself, or you can also tap on the dice icon right next to the box in order to create a random username and tap next. Now choose a password for your account so that you can secure it. Write down a strong password in the text box and click on next. You can also enable notification for your game, or you can skip this step for now by tap and skip. On the next page, tap on Find My Friends so that the game can get access to your contact and you can easily connect with your friends who are already playing Rec Room. Agree to the code of conduct and you will then be able to see this page. Click on Let's Play to start the game. Go through the quick tutorials and learn how things work around in this platform. And that's it, you've successfully created your Rec Room account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.